can come to Akins Ford for everything work truck and everything auto. We've got you cabin chassis ready to roll. We've got your stock trucks. But if you want to go next level, you come over to the Wild Willie side here at Akins and you get a little slice of heaven from above with some Western Reserve Edition. And we got D-Money, Dayton Overstreet, stepping out of this one because Dayton again took care of this one. Mike Herndon from North Carolina. He's actually building a Wendy's here in Royston, Georgia. So tomorrow is D-Day for him. And speaking of D-Day, D-Money, tell us about your experience with Mike and what you think about our truck overall.
Experience with Mike has been great. You know, had to go through some hoops getting it. You know, a little bit of time. Mike, appreciate you being patient with us. And love the bed. I love Antimatter, how it turned out. Even some of the milled, you know, emblems and stuff definitely brings it out for sure. Mike, you're gonna be excited. Hey Neal, show them what hat you're wearing.
Oh yeah, D, I'm always forgetting. Got the new Wild Willie swag on. Got the do.
Wait, hold on. I got a hat for you.
Okay, D-Money. Dayton got the right jacket on today for this Western Reserve, the Antimatter. Oh, look at D! Hey, that's the money shot. Stand out, look at it. Oh, dang, y'all. Dayton needs to do the review today, not me. He's got the blue swag on with the jacket too. Dayton, I don't know if I'm worthy. I don't know if I'm worthy for this one, y'all. Take a moment, go to wildwilliesaccessories.com. We've got our brand new apparel line. This is our first installment. We're gonna have seasonal apparel wear. This is more of a retro style homage. We're gonna have some more modern renditions too. So limited editions. Get your Wild Willie swag right now. Cowboy hat sold separately. Check us out, wildwilliesaccessories.com. Again, Mike Herndon, a great customer from North Carolina. We've been seeing all of our Western Reserve Edition trucks and really got lucky. D can tell you because saw it when it was available. I left a little nugget in a video. I'm talking like just Antimatter Blue coming soon. That's all he needed to hear. He hit us up and Antimatter Blue is now complete. So congratulations. Let's talk about it. Y'all, Antimatter Blue is so hard to showcase the true representation of how pretty this color is. So we're in the sunlight. When you get down the side, it even looks black. It has just a different variation to it where it has a total different appearance between the black and the Antimatter, and even the blue has a different theme to it overall. We're leveled on 37s. We're leveled on 22s also. We got American Force Forged wheels in 22 inch because 22s on a 37, this is your best balance for overall articulation. We got 37, 12.5, 22 Nitto Ridge Grapper tires too, and this is the best for articulation, I'm saying, because you go up to a 24 with a legit tire company like a Nitto or a Toyo, you're going to be stuck running a 13.5 wide. So a 12.5 wide is available on the 22. So 22 on 37. Not saying it looks the best personally, to you it may, but personally this is the best balance for ride quality and overall looks and articulation. So Mike, you're getting the best in 37, 12.5, 22 Ridge Grapper, that hybrid tire. I'm going to give you great results. The theme for this one was, let's don't delete all the chrome, but let's don't leave all the chrome. So we dumbed it down a little bit with Antimatter. It's like this side badge was a chrome, so we did Antimatter there, Antimatter on the backer and around the platinum. Left the F-450, side mirrors. You really can see all that Antimatter just glistening in the sunlight right there. So Antimatter on the entire mirror, removed all that texture. D, a great comparison. Look at all this texture in this side mirror. I mean, look, it's easily scratchable. It's non-premium, and we don't like non-premium here at Wild Willies at Akins. So we did premium Antimatter throughout. We did premium switchbacks on the side. Switchbacks mean you have dual functionality of turn signal plus your amber. So I'll show you putting the hazards on. So you've got full direct between the amber when you're needing your turn signal or your hazard, and you go back to the white light just with a flip of a switch. And also doing, Dayton's like, it looks so good, y'all. He loves it too. Up top, you see we got the white on the clearance lights as well, and then deleted that amber in this turn signal marker right there, which that's not a functional turn signal. Your functional turn is in this area here. So we're 50 state compliant, we're perfectly legal, but we're just Wild Willies custom, Western Reserve style Antimatter in the headlight, taking all the chrome away, leaving your horizontal high flow bars chrome, Antimatter on the blue area. And just doing antimatter on the grill surround to me was just enough to really just delete some of that chrome, but still give that elegance, because chrome is still elegant when done correctly. Even though it's not a popular color choice or shade now, chrome with the antimatter is a money setup on this truck. We got some gloss black throughout, but just a statement of this truck coming to the job site, looking big and bolsterous, and then down the side, not gonna let you wait any longer, y'all. Leveled on 37s, and a big shout out to Joe Lewis at CM Truck Beds. Thank you so much again. He's coming through on the regular with our ER bed, painted to match in the antimatter, looking unbelievable. So anybody could have just bought this bed and slapped it on here and it would be close enough not to worry about, right? Right. But that's not how we do things. We gotta be the detail-oriented mindset of doing it antimatter all the way down throughout. So we got a beautiful antimatter bed with the chrome accents going on. We've got functional LED rock lights in the beds as well. So all these boxes have lights inside, so their nighttime job's gonna be a lot easier to take care of. Out back, we've got rigid SRQ lights out back, painted to match antimatter. So for backing up or hooking up or working at nighttime, you got some bit more visibility back here to go along with it. Just a clean and classy bed that we did Akins liner guaranteed for life on. You've got great functionality to store toolboxes or coolers or whatnot, and ready to roll right now. This truck is ready to go to work. Now, this is probably the most work capable one we've done so far because of the wheel and tire combo and how the truck's set up. So Royston, Georgia, home of Ty Cobb. What you know about Royston, Georgia? This could be rolling around there for a little while and then back up in North Carolina. But I love the mild to wild scale that the American Force with adapter presents. We're sticking a good 4.5 inches there. So it's a really good, strong setup. This truck's ready to work and it can do it all. Antimatter blue. Level kit wise, we have the Ready Lift 2.5 inch level kit, coil spring, legit way to do it, Fox shocks, front rear, stabilizer as well. We got the dual setup for them down below. We got Mag High-Tech front and rear diff covers to go along with it. Every detail we took care of. We've got airlift airbags with a wireless one system in the back. Take a look at the airbag right there and the Mag High-Tech diff cover out back to go along with it. We don't want to just throw a level kit, wheels and tires, and paint match. We want to add things that add to the value, add to the usability, which is just what we did for Mike. Even the 6.7 liter Power Stroke badges, we did antimatter to go with it. Stunning truck in the antimatter blue that'll have you looking twice. Now, as I mentioned before, if you want a basic work truck, we've got that for you too. But you know, custom is better than stock every time. So if you want to come to the wild side, you check us out at wildwithitaccessories.com. We're located inside Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. And I'm Real Deal Neal, the country boy from Northeast Georgia. Let's go, y'all. We have many more coming up soon, so stay tuned for more. So fast forward to the next day, and it's D-Day. There's Mike. He's loving his truck. We got to spend some time with him today and just connect with him. Learned a lot about him and his family. Appreciate you, Mike. Thank you. And that's the biggest thing that I'll take home from this. Look at that truck though. Let me just be quiet. I'll show y'all this for a second. Stay with us. Ooh, yes. So genuinely, like, you want a guy that this kind of stuff gets fired up by. Like, I've been fired up about this truck. And when you meet Mike, they can tell you the same thing. When you meet him, you see he's a great guy, got the right center, right focus, everything's, you know, just, man, it builds us up. It builds us up when we get customers that are as legit as we hope they all are. And a great one right there, amazing truck. Much more business to come from Mike with us. So thanks so much, y'all. Another one out of here. We ain't stopping. Peace out.